Hello and welcome to the ZEISS EQ Workplace tutorial videos. These videos are designed to educate you on how to use the workplace. In this video, we will show you how to open ZEISS EQ Workplace. Let's begin by opening Forum Viewer. Double-click on the Forum Viewer icon. Now, enter your username and password. Then click on Login. After logging on to ZEISS Forum, the patient directory is displayed. A ZEISS ID is required to use the software. Before opening the software for the first time, the login data of the ZEISS ID must be stored in the EQ Workplace user settings. Open the user settings via the menu item System, Workplace Administration, EQ Workplace. Click on the Log in with ZEISS ID button. A window for entering the login data of the ZEISS ID is opened. Enter your email address and password. Click on Sign In. Once you have logged in to EQ Workplace plugin on ZEISS Forum with your ZEISS ID, the user settings are loaded. The login data is saved in the software for further use, so that another login is not required when the software is opened. If another user wants to work with ZEISS EQ Workplace at this workstation, he or she can simply overwrite the logged-in user by clicking on the Login with ZEISS ID button and entering his or her credentials. Now, click on Patient Directory to proceed. Patient Directory provides an overview of the patients and their documents stored in ZEISS Forum. As you can see, the Today filter is activated by default. Disable the filter by clicking on this button. Now you can see all the patients listed. You can either search the patient via the search bar by typing in the initial letters or select the patient from the patient list. Select the patient by double-clicking on it. In the clinical view or document display of ZEISS Forum, you can access all available clinical documents of the selected patient. Double-click on the Calculate IOL and Prepare Surgery button to open the ZEISS EQ Workplace plugin. You have now entered ZEISS EQ Workplace. The pre-calculation screen is the first screen that opens with the latest ZEISS IOL master data directly imported. The eye to be planned, here the right eye, is presented in focus with the left eye information shown on the dark bar. That's all for this video. Here are the top 4 tips to remember. 1. ZEISS EQ Workplace is a forum-based application. 2. Use your ZEISS ID to log in to ZEISS EQ Workplace. 3. ZEISS EQ Workplace is easily accessible via the document display on Forum Viewer. 4. Latest ZEISS IOL master data is directly imported into the pre-calculation screen. Thanks for watching. Please check out the other videos on this website platform to learn more about ZEISS EQ Workplace.